This is Nicole, and I'm back with this long-awaited lookbook from my first haul in January/December from items I got from Forever 21. I know it took a while, but this lookbook is officially on. So if you're interested in that jumpsuit I showed you all, some sweaters and some other things that I got from Forever 21 as well as Torrid, then please continue watching this video. Continue to watch. I know it took me a while to come back with this lookbook, but as promised, I had a lot of stuff going on, family-wise, health-wise, and things like that. So as promised, I'm back to show you all the items that I got in that Torrid and Forever 21 haul that I got, like, showed you all January/December. I can't remember the month. But anyway, before I jump in, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then hit the notification bell, turn on your post notifications so you will be notified of my next video. So let's jump right into this lookbook. So the first item I'm going to show y'all, in disregard to shoes, but this is like a off-the-shoulder little knit sweater. And I'm having the hardest time. It's supposed to be rolled down, but that's so far one thing I don't like about it. Oh, it's still cute or whatever, but yeah, it's supposed to be down lower than that, but it won't stay down lower than that. But I do like the sweater, and I don't know how they did it on the model, but it's rolling up on me. But all the same, it's still cute. So y'all disregard the shoes. The shoes not a part of the outfit. But I just love this little sweater. Like, it was really cute on the website, so I got it. You want to know the prices, check it out in the last video I posted. I will put the link in the description box for this first haul video for these items. But I just thought this was really cute. So yes, that's the first little item. Let me show y'all the next one. I got this jumpsuit to wear with some white jeans I'm wearing to a white event later on this year. But this is really cute. And, you know, I got a little tummy, but I ain't worried about that. But this jumpsuit, you know, camouflages it well. Again, I could probably wear it with some denim pants and a little bomber jacket or something and some boots. So I did just put these little boots on. I think this is really cute. It does snap in the back. I need to get my nails cut down. So it's kind of, you know, hard for me to do that. But y'all, this is so cute. And these pants kind of too big. But as you can see, that's what the lower part of the bodysuit looks like. Comment below and let me know, are y'all feeling these first two items so far? I mean, my little eating right and semi-working out is doing a little good, y'all. So yes, let me show y'all the next couple of items. Y'all know how I feel about a jumpsuit. What stomach? What stomach? When I saw this jumpsuit, I got this for $9. Of course, it's another one I can't zip up, but you gotta have it zipped in the back, and it's a clasp around the neck. But baby, when I tell y'all, the girls or say they are out and they saying, hey, showing you a little side boob. Oh my goodness, like, baby, you can't tell me a thing in this, okay? You can't tell me that I ain't snatched. I do need to do some squats to lift that booty, but, you know, other than that, I thought this was so cute when I saw this. And then I love this lace up detail right here. Yes, and this is still on the Forever 21 website. Everything I'm showing you all is still on the website. I don't know if it's gonna be what I paid for, because I had do shopping when they got the sales. I paid $9. I think it's on there for like 10 or 11 right now. But whoo, y'all. Wow. Comment below, thumbs up if this jumpsuit ain't the business. See, being plus size, you know, a lot of plus size women be feeling like they can't wear nothing. But as long as you wear the right undergarments. Now, I could wear some high-waist panties that come up to like no higher than this. That way, you can still worry about everything being camouflaged. And then in the back, you ain't got to worry about your panties showing. But, whoo! And of course, when I'm wearing this summer, so I'm not going to have on these boots with it. The boots is just to show y'all in the video. But I'm a size 2X clothes. And for those that want to know my weight, I weigh 243. So if you thick chick like me, thick, hey. If you thick, you 5'3" like me. So I'm 5'3", and this is very long. So if you tall, it's gonna be cool. But if you short, I'm 5'3", and it does hang very low. So yes, I got one more item to show y'all, but I am in love with this jumpsuit. Yes, y'all, go over to Forever 21 and find y'all this jumpsuit. Had the girls peeking out, say, hey, you know, you be in the club with your little drink, and then somebody come up. Wait a minute, by 4. These are some high-waist corset pants. I don't have anybody to zip these up, and you have to have somebody zip them up. It's a zip in the back, and then the clasp. These are kind of fitting big since the last time I tried them. Also, they may have lost me a little weight. But y'all, these are some high-waist corset pants. This is a little crop top. What I love about it is the sleeves. When I tell y'all, this is like really cute, and I wish that I could have it zipped up, but I can't, because I don't want to break the zipper trying to zip it myself. I can't turn around and show y'all this dunk, but this is like really cute. When I saw this on the website, I was like, can I play that? Why, yes you can, because for one, if I had my pants zipped up, it sucks in all of this. And this is like a little crop top. So if you worried about something being exposed, like if I had that zipped all the way up, I got my little pouch, but you can't even really see that. Plus, I'm gonna wear this at night when it be in a club or something. So I don't care, baby. I ain't looking like no SpongeBob though. But y'all, oh, I wish I had somebody to zip that up for me. The shirt is like really cute. And this shirt is a 3X. I read online that it ran small. So I got it in a 3X. So I do have room to go in this. But y'all, this is so cute. One of my favorite items in that haul by far. I got 2 more items to show y'all. But like, let me know if y'all enjoying this lookbook. And these are, of course, are not the shoes I'm going to wear with it. But if I wanted to, I could. I actually got 3 boot options I could do with this. But like, y'all, oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I could zip these pants up. Because when you do, it sucks all of that in. But Nicole ain't about to break no zip on these pants. So let me show y'all the other stuff. It's a very sheer, off the shoulder dress. So for the purpose of this video, I got on this little body suit thing under there, but I probably could pull it off. I don't know. When you get outside, you can probably see the shorts. So I would have to have on like a shirt, a dress type thing. But y'all, this is so cute to wear this summer. You put this on with some heels. It's like really cute, and I like the detailing on it. It's very soft, and it is just like really cute, y'all. This is also a 2X. I gotta excuse my feet. Don't come for my feet. I need to go get a pedicure. So I wasn't gonna have them country boots on with this dress, but y'all, this is so cute. So I'm gonna get like a 1-piece bodysuit, put it under there so you can't see that shorts line. But y'all, if you got problems in your midsection, you ain't gotta worry about it with this dress. Like, it's really cute. I love the off the shoulder concept. You put this on with a little necklace and some nice little earrings. But y'all, this is like really cute. So this is like the last item in my Forever 21. Nope, actually I forgot. I ordered a jacket from Torrid that I need to show y'all. So hold on for the last item. Yeah, this was the other item that was in that that Torrid, the Torrid, the one thing I got from Torrid, this military jacket. Y'all have not wore this yet, but it's really cute. So you could either wear it buttoned up, or you could just wear like a regular jacket. And I still got that that bodysuit on from Forever 21. But like, you could either, you know, just wear like, oh yeah, I don't like stuff like little lint. You can either wear it like that. If you want to just button like a couple of buttons, you can do that. But this is a size 2 from Torrid. I hate little linen stuff. Oh, okay. This is like really cute. I got some military boots that I'm going to pair this with in a different color jeans. But like, I just love this jacket. I just love it. Like, it's so cute, y'all. Let me know if y'all love this jacket. And these do unbutton if you want to use the pockets or whatever. The pockets are usable. So yeah, you can either like wear a little bodysuit under it. If you don't want to wear anything under it, you don't have to. You can just, you know, have it button, have your girls peeking out saying, hey. But other than that, like, this is like really cute. So yes, y'all. So this is gonna be the end of this lookbook, y'all. Again, I'm sorry it took so long for me to film this, but I have had a lot of stuff going on. Health-wise, I got the root canal. Family-wise, my grandmother was sick. My uncle was sick. They are both home now. Thank God they are doing better. And then I was just kind of, sometimes I be a little depressed, so I wasn't in the mood to be doing no videos. It take a lot to try on all these clothes, but I have fun doing it, and I just cannot wait to wear everything. So again, coming to y'all from a closet. This is the first of many lookbooks to come. Spring is upon us, so I do have to dig out. Well, it's still kind of winter, so I might have some winter lookbooks coming, but comment below. Let me know if you all enjoyed this Forever 21 and Torrid lookbook. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of my next video. And I just thank y'all for watching, and thank you all for supporting y'all. Didn't y'all like that jumpsuit? I'm sorry, y'all. That was cute. I was feeling myself in that jumpsuit. But yeah, I love hauls, especially when it's clearance hauls, so I'm doing all this talking and rambling, but I'm sorry, y'all. This video was long enough, but I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting, and I will see you all next time. Bye.